another day, another adventure. I know my husband loves asthma, so I secretly brought this stuff to Talad him. Today we're visiting the trainway market called Talad Rom Hup. Talad means market, Rom means tent, and Hup means closed. Oh na 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 na, so currently the train passes 6 times each day at 8:30, 9, 11:15, 11:30, 2:30, 3:30. So if you arrive at 8:15 or 11, you'll be able to see 2 trains passes in a short time of space. Oh yeah. Oh nah. Drinking on the map. So you wanna give me love? Oh hey. Oh you just got out of my window. Hey. Hey. Oh na na na. Miss a control. So you wanna give me love, eh? Oh baby girl, miss a control. So originally the market was already there when the train track was built, but instead of relocating the market, they continue to operate there. So a day when the train passes is basically 1 minute. Time to close the tent, train passes, reopens, and is 100% local market where you find meat, fish, fruits, dresses, everything. Is a local market still operating. If you're going to the train market and you live from Bangkok, you pass through a town called La Chipoli, and it's quite poor compared to Bangkok, but it has skyline, money, river. So yeah. Black people and music, I knew it. We just bought one for him, one shirt, 250 baht. Oh, bags. Hello.
Where you come from? Mexico.
We are literally preparing for the train. We are all waiting for the train. It's not some more prepare, my number.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Need to go back. People were even on there. On peut faire top point. Unfortunately, I don't know how to batch because as soon as they say one price, I will say, "Oh, can you lower it?" They will say no. Then I'll say, "Okay, bye bye, thank you."
Oh, yeah.
Rayon. Quando rayon to? Ovviamente.
Okay. Mi sono sei Janinka. I bought this Stop and Down, and they started with 1,000, and I asked for 500. And the woman said straight yes. So I'm thinking I should have asked for lesser price. So, yeah. No, and then I block it. Okay. Okay. We're going back. They gave us up to 9:15, and we are, let's say, a little bit later. Here, when you are short, everything looks easier.
Oye, ¿que era dónde anda?
The secret of moving around here is burning over. Yeah. Oh, so you pay uncle. You try. So, due to our time, we are trying a second road as if we've been living here. I'm Cassie. I'm Muslim. Hold on. Yeah. I'm moving around, I feel like home. I feel literally at home. Very free. So this side nearby. So we did that, and
nella vostra libetta, nella poema è stato scritto il nome della provincia.
Yeah, yeah.